Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Rainbet in the United States. Many users see an error message that says Rainbet is not available in your region. This happens because the website has regional restrictions that block access from the United States. But there is a simple way to fix this and access Rainbet safely. First, you need to download a VPN. There are many VPNs available, but one free option you can try is Tuxler. You can also choose any other VPN you prefer. Inside the VPN, you will see a list of countries to choose from. Select any country except the United States. For example, you can choose Canada. After selecting the country, connect to the VPN. Wait a few seconds until it confirms that you are connected. Now, go back to your web browser. In the search bar, type Rainbet and press Enter. Click on the official Rainbet website. It should now open without showing the region restriction error. You can now log in or create an account and start playing as usual. If you prefer not to install a full VPN app, another option is to use a browser extension for a proxy or VPN. Many browsers like Chrome or Firefox have free proxy extensions that work in the same way. Just install one, set it to a country outside the United States, and refresh the Rainbet page. That's all you need to do to play Rainbet in the US. Thanks for watching.